Alright, today is January 29th, and these are Lucy's tricks. Lucy, speak. Speak. Lucy, high five. Good girl. Lucy, shake. Good. Back up. Back up. Come here. You lay down. Roll over. Roll over. Good girl. Come here. Over here. Lay down. Roll over. Good. All right. Come here. Ready? Lucy, bang. Stay. Okay. Good girl. And Kitten's inspecting her dead body. All right, back up. Come here, Lucy, over here. Lucy, lay down. Crawl. Good. Okay, back up. Oh, this way, come here. Come here, Goose. You sit. Up. Stay. Good. Lucy, dance. Dance. Come on. Dance. Good. Lucy, spin. 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 Good. Lucy, speak.